Hello and welcome to DCM's Online Academy. I'm Austin, and today we're going to talk about syncing manually on the timeline if maybe DaVinci Resolve's auto sync can't quite match with the waveform, or maybe you just didn't have a waveform on your camera track. That's what I've created, that scenario here. So we're going to look at something here. It's always a good idea to have a
Any kind of purpose there, it was almost like a dead end.
So you can find his clap, and that does not line up with our audio right now. So we're going to go to the point where his hands touch. And right about there looks pretty good. And what we're going to do is select the clip and hit M. That'll make a marker on the clip level. Now we're going to go down to our audio, and we're going to find the clap, which should be this spike here. Yep, very kind of light clap, but that's it. So we're going to zoom in so we can get the frame right before it. And same thing, we're going to select the clip and do M. If you don't select the clip, it's going to create a marker up top at the timeline level. We want to get one on each clip. And now we make sure that our magnet's on here for that jump sync, and when we pull these together, it will sync on the marker level. And now we have our sound in sync.
Perfect.
Well, let's just look at that one more time.
And then do one more clap for me in front of your face. Perfect.
Thank you. And looks to be in sync. So that's it. It's pretty easy. The clip level markers make this a lot simpler than some other programs. So yeah, if you like this, give us a like and follow and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.